Alright, so you've put in all three of your places. I put in Saxton Easton Bridge, I put in Bartlett Park, I put in Sunbridge Hills, and now it's time for me to print so that I can turn in my work. So what I'm going to do is scroll up here, make sure that I'm logged in. Yes, I am. And I'm going to click Places. Right? It's going to give me a map. Give it a minute to kind of catch up with itself, and it's going to show me my places. Now, if there are lots of hands besides mine, I'm going to go over here to Filter Places, click on it, and make sure that only the box that says My Own Stories has a check mark next to it. Mine already has that. So if I were to, I could show you, it could look like this, right? See how many hands are there? Well, I don't want that. I just want my own stories. So there's my 3. I'm going to click on this little button over here to close this. And there are my stories. I can see all 3 of them on the screen, so that's good. If you can't see all 3 of them, you're going to go over here to this minus sign and zoom out. Mine, I can see all 3. So I'm going to print. To print, I'm going to hit Command P. Your print screen's going to come up. Mine's going to look a little bit different from yours because I'm using Google Chrome. But this is what I want you to pay attention to. The printer that you choose should be 10.15.2.45, and it'll say Com Arts after it. Mine doesn't because, like I said, mine looks different. So here we go. I'm going to click Print. And it'll print a map of this entire screen with all 3 of your places on it. You're going to go over to the print room, which is right next door to Miss Wampler's room. Her room is number 19. It's the door immediately to the left of her door, kind of cattywampus from our door for the classroom. And you're going to pick up your sheet of paper with your map on it. The next thing you do after you print your map is that you're going to click on My Passport at the top of the screen. Make sure I'm scrolled up. Okay. So I'm going to go to My Passport. Click there. You'll see a screen that looks like this. I'm going to click on My Stories once I'm there. It says you have written 3 stories. Descriptive, narrative, poem. Tells me what places, tells me some stats about them. What I need to do though is click Export All Your Stories. So here are my stories. Now this one's a poem, so it doesn't look the right way, but that's okay. It says that it's a poem. My narrative looks like this. Of course, I didn't write very much just for sake of example. There's my descriptive piece. And I'm going to print. Command P. Once again, make sure that you're going to the right printer. 10.15.2.45. I'm going to hit print and print that page. Then I'm going to go over to the print room right next door to Miss Wampler's room, and I'm going to pick up my print. Once I've done that, I've printed off my map, I've printed off my stories. I'm going to staple those pages together. I'm going to write my name at the top, and I'm going to put it in the class tray. That is how you print your stories and map from MapSkip. Thank you for watching.